everybody, and welcome to 3208 here at Disney's Boardwalk Inn. So right as you enter the room, we have a nice big wardrobe here. There's two hanging sides here, and then on the left-hand side we have your bathroom. So we have a double vanity outside here. Your toiletries, and then we have a shower tub combo here with the toilet. Alright, and then over here we have your icebox, Keurig, stocked down here with some coffee, and then water cooler. This room can connect to another double room, and this room can actually accommodate 5. So it has 2 queen-size beds, really cute artwork, nice lighting for reading lights, and then down below over here you have 2 plugs, a USB-C and a USB. So again, this room does accommodate 5. It has this couch bed that folds down to accommodate the 5th person. Nice high bed so you can utilize some storage under there. As far as drawer space, you have the 2 wardrobes over there, and then you have 6 drawers over here. Nice flat screen TV. Some more artwork here. Lots of cute little Disney touches. Each side of the bed does have a nightstand, or at least enough to put your phone on and charge it, a little sitting chair, and then heading out onto the patio, we have 2 chairs and a table, and we're right here overlooking the cottages. So that sums up your room tour here of Disney's Boardwalk Inn. This is just a standard room, 2 double beds. It does sleep 5. If you're interested in booking Disney's Boardwalk Inn or Disney Boardwalk Villas, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook.
Thank you for watching and safe travels.